Holy, that took me a while to get set up. Anyway, oh, we need music. Hold on. Today we're working on some auto sync stuff, make it super easy to develop, but that's the hard part. These have been used. So we have this right. Want this. Give me a sec here. I need this. I want this here. Where was it? I need this. So we have this here, right? How do I create those, create intercept. So we have this object manager. Okay. This got these two things. Actually I can do this outside of this. So this, and in here, this is where we set the, so let's say we have a test class equals new switch, and then test class I need to actually add functions. Public void set my int, right? Int val. Yeah, close enough, that's fine. $2001. And then I want to look into this here. What is valid? Common language runtime detected invalid program in the intercept. Really? I don't know if I tested that, so. So it's calling the intercept correctly, which is awesome. Okay, we just need to find out why it's failing, which is the hard part. So here. What? ID and value, okay. Public static void, what? File.init opcodes dot all field trans. Well, there we go. And then for the rest of this, then we have to do that to figure out what is going to happen. So it's this here. Resolve. I thought I tested this. So we do this. We call this, it only has one thing. uh, Wait a minute. This function shouldn't return anything. Okay, so we're looking at this here. This looks good. These look good here. Um, if it's okay, we go to the end here, and then the end is marked here, basically. Maybe that caused an issue? I'm not sure. Common language has detected runtime issue. Oh, this could also cause issues, so let's see if that's the problem. I'm thinking this here's the problem. If I comment this out, this should let me work. Oh, this parameter doesn't make sense. This will be instance value. And now does it work? Common language runtime detected invalid program. IL dot. Does this work? If we just return, does it work? Is this an issue? Do I need to box that? But if I do this like int here, it'll work. Oh, is that is client? Yeah, this doesn't return anything either. There we go. One, right? So here I want to change this back to object, and then this function doesn't return anything. So let's try this here first and see what happens. Okay, that worked. Let's try to resolve. I'm I'm pretty sure it leaves a stack okay. Okay. So then we have our network. See if we have our object manager. Okay. Try get ID. I'm pretty sure this is just the parameter. I don't know, I guess that's fine. And here we create this stuff. Load arg1. Actually, 0. We load that, we call this, we serialize it, and I guess let's throw it into here. Got rid of that. il.emit opcos.all id info. No, access tools. Let me see what the stack looks like here. So we load our network. We then load our ID. We load the type ID and the property ID as integers. We with value local. Actually, I don't think I need this. So we load the ID local, right? And then we box that, and then we serialize it. Wait, what? Target ID. I don't know, maybe this works. Let's see. Common language is detected running. Yeah, story of my life. What if I actually do this here instead? Maybe I do want this too. This is invalid? What if I do this? It's fine. Pretty sure this is an int for one of them. Was this not just working? What? Oh, these aren't working, I guess. One of those are broken. Oh, okay. ID. ID works, so the value one's the one that breaks it. Okay. See what happens in here. I forget. Okay, so we load our object manager. We then load this, our ID. Try get ID. Do by value here. So then we don't need this. This is fine. This is working, which is good. Then we don't need this, but instead we need load arg1. And we box that in our transpiler. Or here, I guess. Oh, we don't need these. Cause issues. What happened? Issues? Oh. Does this, wait, so if I comment this out, right? Oh. Oh, we need to, switch this here. Reduce, determine, I ref or I value. There we go. Let's see what this does for us. Why did this not get called? Oh, hold up. Actually, you know why? I know exactly why. Pretty sure I don't have that. Add existing my object this class. And yeah, so it's just failing on actually getting the ID stuff because it wasn't in the object manager. Okay, that's even weirder that it didn't work. Let's throw this down here and just check, I guess. Or can I go into here? Yeah, LD arg or LD null. They also work. And if this is null, we're not getting the. Oh, I probably don't need to be there. Yeah, it's not in this one. Here? I'm a little confused what's going on right now. Does I have a breakpoint in here, right? Yeah, and it's not hitting that. The question is why? If I comment this out for now. Why is this not getting hit? I don't understand. Um, Yeah, thank you guys. Oh, sorry, Jake. I would say the mod development right now, I wouldn't say it's smooth, but I wouldn't say it's rough either. It's just finding the time, which is hard for me personally right now. Something weird is happening that I don't understand. So for some reason, this isn't getting called, and I don't know why. Breakpoint just like broken. I change this to like int. Let me just do this. Let's work then. Doesn't work. Why? Works now. This should be 1001. Yep. So it's returning somewhere. LVC, I don't know, -5. Four, 3. Okay, let's see where it breaks. That's -5. Oh, before that, interesting. So does it break here? So it can't resolve the network for some reason, I guess. Something weird is going on there. Might have to set this too. Okay, so it's detecting it as like not a client or something. So what I need to do, is client. What do I want here? I forget. Is client. Mod information, okay. You're telling me I have to do this. The server, true. Yes, we are the server. We're looking at -5, -4, -3, and then 1001. Awesome. Okay, it just wasn't the right thing. And then I don't need this, right? Oh, I do. Hold on. And then we're still working good, right? $10,001, right? Okay. Awesome. We're further. We're definitely further. Where's it working? Over here. So then I want to box this, more or less. A box which converts this into an object. And then value param dot type. I can do field dot field type. That also works. And then what I can do here is change this to object. And same thing should work. And this is 1001. Okay. And instead of this, I'm gonna serialize it. And then I'm gonna pass that serialized thing into this. And we're here, and then we got this 3 bytes, which is, okay, that's an interesting way to do that. Which is this value, but it's serialized, which is awesome. Load to local, ID local. So we want the network, we want this. Maybe we don't want the network quite yet. We want to do this, create a packet, right? And then we want to send it. So let's see if that packet is created. Common language detected in an invalid program. Oh, fair enough. That's good. Okay, we have this packet, and then this packet has the instance ID, which is my object. It is field type and value type 0, just because I haven't really done much with that yet. Awesome, and then we can send that over the network, right? And then we store the field. And then we load the network, and then we get rid of this, and then it works. And we debug this, right? What? What? What do you mean? Network local null or something? I actually want to store this in a local, I think. And then this is kind of easier to debug. Maybe this causes issues, I'm not sure. Debug now. Wait, what? What did I change? Ah. Oh, I see. I think I'm only loading one of the fields. Oh, that makes sense. Hold up. But yeah, this is actually sending the packet. Back to this. So the issue here, see? So when you actually store a field in programming, you need two things on the stack. Firstly, where you're storing it, and secondly, what you're storing. And now this works. And then I can look at the network here. Assert not null, I guess. Network dot send pack is not first or default, right? Then this happens. Does this return something? No. Var packet. Network dot first or default. Assert this is not null. Packet dot var. Hold on. What I can do here is that'll throw an error if it doesn't exist. Is type type of, I forget, and what type? Autosync field packet. Right? There's our autosync field packet, and it's right here, and we're good. And we just want to assert raw serialize dot. I'm gonna deserialize on this, I think. There we are. Stream bytes. Then we return T. Let's return an object. It's just a bit more easy to use. Deserialize. Oh, we need a type. Okay. We'll have to do T. Return this. There we go. Now here we want to assert a couple things. Assert dot equal type ID comma packet type ID. Assert dot equal var synced fields. Synced fields. Sync fields dot index of I don't care enough. This is gonna be 0. 0 comma packet dot field ID. Class or instance ID. And I need to make that a string. There we go. Passes here. Assert dot equal value. Deserialize int. And then we want this to be const int new value equals 1001, right? This gets passed here. This also gets passed here. And there was one other place I wanted to check this. Insert dot equal, right? And then this comma test class dot private client. And in theory, this should pass. Let's see. And it passed. Holy. All right, let's push this. Intercepts working. I could probably refactor this test to be like not garbage, but I don't think I care that much. So I think we can actually end-to-end test this. I don't know if there's any issues with that. I guess let's start by figuring out if there are issues. Field test, right? So yeah, this is how it used to work. Creation sync no longer exists. Deletion sync no longer exists. We're gonna have property sync, but yeah, for both of these, I guess. But I don't care enough at the moment. We do have a field. Some class. What is this? I don't know what that is. It's going away. And all this stuff, I don't care. Okay, so we need a test class. For example, switch test class, or I can create a new one. Switch test class. This will be named field or auto sync test class, right? And then we need to sync stuff. So I need this test, more or less. Hold up. Give me this test, actually. Copy this. I could move this into the constructor. Might be a good idea. I'm gonna do that for now, I guess. And then this, more or less. And we need to assign some things. Hashed methods, this should be a field. Introduce local. That makes it difficult. Hashed methods is list method info. Method info read only. What is this up here? Garbage. It's all garbage. List of method info. I'm actually okay with. This is a parameters. I can't do that. Attach methods. And this goes here. And here. Read only type transpiler type. This goes here, it gets replaced. We also want harmony. Harmony. This goes here and here and here and here and here, here, and also here. And I don't need any of this. This all happens here, right? So we need the server. So test environment dot server dot all, right? Or actually, do I care? How do I do this? So we create the test class, right? And then, sure, this is fine for that. Oh, we need a lot more stuff for this. Oh god. What do I need? Not a class that we already worked with, right? Could add it to the game interface, right? Where is it? Add new item. Oh, this does not feel proper. And then we also want actually, there's probably an easier way of doing this. I can move this maybe. Oh. Registry base. This is way too much stuff. There we go. Register all, well, don't have any. Get new ID. Turn a new QID new teacher. Oh, then we need the constructor, right? Yeah, we can move this actually to our testing stuff. and then end-to-end tests, autosync, test classes, paste. And then did that delete that or no? Not today. Oh, I didn't save that. All right, so we need this again. We need this again. Register all. Don't need that. Then we return new or GUID. String, right? And what we need to do in our test stuff. I do it in here actually. Might be a good idea. This is interesting that this is here anyway. What I want to do is register that. Server, resolve I registry collection. Right? And here's what we want to do. Registry collection. But I also need to like do this on the client. Public void. Actually, let me do it in test first. See if it's even worth it putting it here because this will propagate to all tests. I don't want that. So we need this. Actually, I need to move this stuff. Where's this class at? Take me here. Stop ignoring me. No. Yeah, this is all this stuff, right? And there, it's all back. And then I need the summer of class. Internal sum ref class, right? There we go. That looks good to me. Now we just have to add it to everything. Var registry collection is equal to jar.resolve. Registry collection. And then what we need to do is for just a new auto test registry. That's not what I wanted to be named. That's a way better name. Okay. auto sync registry, right? And then we just do, then same on the clients, I'm guessing. Is there an easier way of doing this? Guess I could do something like containers equals test environment dot server dot container. Let's just do new oh, we can actually make this way easier. Clients select client dot container. Concat the server. What's the issue? What? Huh? Oh, not add item. It's not terrible. And then we do for each of our containers and register with everyone. Collection, iRegistry collection. And then this is that. And that should work. So now on the server, test environment dot server dot all, right? Call this function on the server. Oh, hold up. This would be way easier actually. Registry, register new object, right? And then you register a test class for everyone. You could actually register existing with its own name. That might be better. Okay, then we do this. That breaks everything. It's gonna be here. Why not? So then what we do is register existing so that we can actually specify which instance ID it has and test class. And then that creates a class for every client and server. Now let's try this. Assert dot equal or not null. That's my dot server dot try resolve, not a resolve. Dot object manager. Try get object. This is the wrong class. Hold up. Be this class here. And that goes here, right? Or assert true, right? What's the issue? Oh, string. I need to pass the instance ID, of course. And I think I'm missing a Mike Wood. That was the wrong test. And this should pass, hopefully. Like far from being done, but okay. So that's registered with everything, I'm fairly certain. Now, I guess we just check if it syncs on everything. There is a... Oh, that might cause issues. I just got to make sure that this thing gets collected in the tests. Whoever this is like used, right? Testing, patching test, transpiler test, auto sync test. Is there no does this exist? Game interface autosync. I see, hold on. Autosync packet handler, right? This doesn't do anything at the moment. How do we do this? Basically, we have to pass this to like a type switching class. I forget how the other end of this works. Field, only have property stuff? Field switch, oh, hold up. Pipe? There's a test for this. Oh god. I see. So this is where it gets kind of confusing. For now, I guess let's just say so I need to create this field switch creator thing, right? Not this. I need it to be in here. Not for now. Actually, hold up. So in my mind, it seems simple. I guess let's start from the top down. Let's actually kind of do this. So what I need is basically another class. Gross. Type switch class. Type switch, right? And then this takes I type switch, which is a type that I'm going to make public interface I type switch. Okay. Thinking about this bit, public void switch, I guess. The constructor is going to have to do a lot of heavy lifting here, I think. Or we can have a public void build too, I think. Then what we have here is a type INumeral. Type for each, right? Type in types. We want to build a field switch for this. Switch test class. Where is it? Type switch. Oh, I have this already? One sec. Type switch creator build types, right? Ooh, interesting. Hmm. This is an interesting way to do that. What does this switch do? What am I looking at? Add custom attribute. Yeah. Oh. I see. Hold on. I need this. Or can I do... I could technically do this down here, no? Yeah, we switched based on the type, but what do we want to do with it? I'm not sure, not sure. Does this even need to be like done using a mitt? Actually, maybe this is okay. But here's what I need. I need this to go away. This doesn't return anything. Okay. Then what we want to do is, what do we want to do? I might have to create a bunch of stuff. This, right? Um, this is gonna be something else. guess we could, let's just do this field stuff for now. Actually, I want to make sure, pretty sure it automatically gets collected. You have to rethink this here, so I'm gonna delete this. And I think delete this too. Maybe this one I might use. I'm gonna delete this though. Oh, that's the right one, right? What did I delete? Oh no. What else in builder? Yeah, I can go. I need that. That's for collecting stuff. Class builder. It builder? I don't know what this is. Type switch. Type switch? I already have this. Okay. Auto sync builder, sure, we'll call it that. Public void, add field. It knows. Build. So for now, we're just doing fields. And to do that, we need to get every property, I think. So I need a couple things here. Are I'll have to do new. Actually, I can do something a little bit different. It's fields dot declaring type. Right? At properties dot select prop dot assembly dot distinct. There we go. I got all unique assemblies. And then what we need to do, put that in here. What's a good name for this? I don't even know. So this is ignore access check assemblies. Actually, I want this to be a enumerable. For each var assembly in those, we're gonna do this. It appears we don't have the assembly builder. So what I can do, I should go back here. And then we need to create that, which I've done like 1,000 times. Specifically here. And then assembly builder, right? Autosync assembly. Autosync assembly, right? ASM name. I don't have that, do I? Assembly.name. Allow access from dynamic assembly to types. Right? Our types is equal to this both the types. Perfect. Okay. So now that we have all the types, let's make our type switcher. And I have to do it for 2 things. Right? Do we? That can go. This isn't needed. Okay. Doesn't this need to create the field switchers though? The property switchers? I think what I can do is it's a lot harder than I thought it'd be. Private lists, or let's do a type array. Types. Then we get set types equal to this, right? What was the issue? Must not used, that's the issue. Why is this yelling at me? Oh, not to array. Okay, this is a little bit, private void, allow assemble private access. And I just need all this. I'm gonna move this down here. And I need what? Assembly builder. I kind of want to create like a dictionary of lists, arrays or something, or each field. We might need to do. Yeah, let's do that, I guess. So here's what I want. For each var field in fields, right? Var field map is equal to dictionary type info. Okay. And if false, I need to put new. I want to do the same thing with properties, but for now we do same with private convert fields. And we do this right. Turn field map. I don't know. Convert fields, that's fine. And then we do this, 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 this. Property info. Bar field maps for that. And I'm not sure what I want to do with this. Bar type in field map dot bar fields, right? Hard. I'm trying to think this through, but it's not easy. Does this work? Can I do this? Fields, or no types. Okay. I guess I don't have the switching thing up. So what I can do, what do I need for the field switcher? I need a type, an object manager for why? Oh, I see. And where, for when I create this, what do I do? Build fields. Just pass a list of fields in. Fair enough. And an object manager. Do I even need this object manager? I think I do. I'm gonna change this. So I'm just gonna return the type. Create switch. I do need the object manager though. But that's fine, more or less. Okay. Um, There's a type switch creator, right? Um, let's take that dictionary that I made. Type list field info, right? Field map. Hmm. I don't want. I want it down here. Field map. Okay. Create switch. I see. This one. I pass this all the way down, I think. Bar types is equal to field map dot keys dot to array. And we pass this down, right? And somehow I meant to do this with properties too. For each type, right? And then I want to build a field switch creator. So then I need object manager, right? And I need the module builder for this. Field switch builder. Right? And I need new. What am I missing? Module builder. I need type object. Okay, here we go. And then what we want to do, dot build, right? Field map. Type. Fields. Probably not the fastest, but I don't really care too much. Okay, so we have this. You want to store that in a local or in a... I guess a local would be best. Can we make these like static, maybe? Those loggers and stuff. Great switch. And it takes a packet. And I needed to do the same here. Load arc 1. Or is it? I need... My switch, what? Yeah, I need this here. Type ID. I think I'm actually okay with putting this down here. There we go. So we have this type. Do I just want to build a new one every time? I don't think I do. Okay. I actually think I want to have these in the constructor. So I could still do it here. Private. Type create switch field. And I think I want this. Here. There we go. And we don't want type here. We want parameter. I forget. Technically, they are field. So I have to actually be defined in the constructor. Well, let me delete this, right? And then I need to copy this from somewhere else. Like this here. And wait, where was the rest of that? Um, list field switches. List of type. I don't know. It's a list of what again? These. Field switch type. Okay. More or less I want this stuff. Field switch field. Wow. And this goes here. What do I have for the name of this? Type name? Just use a name. Game? Okay. So we load 0, and then we want to create one of these. New object, field switch. Wait. Let me store it in this. What's the constructor for this look like? Parent, define constructor. We pass an object manager to it. Does it have an object manager? Guess not. Oh, it does. Hold up. And then we need that object manager field, I guess. So I need this here. We need to store that. Store that, but we don't have it in yet. We need this. And this can go here. There we go. And then we need to load that. And that should work. Bar. And then we return this. There we go. Where does this get called? And that's mapped to each type, I'm pretty sure. And then what we do here is call that. Sure, file.mark label dot our opcodes load field, and then this field here, right? Load this field, but we also need here we go, type switching test, right? We need to change this up a little bit. Come on. Object manager. Types. Um, type map or something. New dictionary. All right, let's do this. Type of, I don't know, int, right? Don't really care about that. bool string, and this just needs that. This goes here. Type map equals new auto sync packet. And this is what, I don't know, 0, 0, or I don't really care about that. 0, comma, 0, comma, L. Was I. Oh yeah, this doesn't do much for me. It just needs to run. Build error. Type switch creator. Activator dot create instance. Field switch. And then we want this. We then want to add properties, which is project manager. I think that's it. What else are we missing? What am I looking at? Oh. Grade? Oh, this returns a dynamic thing. Oh, it doesn't. There we go. I think it was this one that I wanted to run. And it failed into 32. Wait, what? Generic arguments in 32. What? Instance type? Oh, I see. Hold up. Let's say this like a settlement. Mobile party. Village. Cannot dynamically create a type switcher. No parameterless constructor. Type info. Switch type, bar, dynamic, type, switch, activator dot. Green lines make me angry. There we go. See what this looks like. Bad method token in the constructor. It's going okay. I'm hoping to get done with this weekend. So the constructor has issues here. Okay. I need to call something. All virtual. Well, I also need to load arg1. This function. Method. Yield switch creator. It says message called, I need field switch. Okay. Some issue with this constructor. Define field. So here we create this new object, but oh, hold up. This is wrong. Needs to be object manager field. Value cannot be null. Ooh, it's even better. Wait, doesn't this just work? It's a field builder. Or I need dot field type. Field type. There we go. Add method. Put in the constructor again? Is this a constructor? No. I thought the constructor was fine. What? Add method token. Is it here? It has to be something with this. What does that constructor look like? Object manager, okay. Oh, we can just do this. Add method token. What if I do this? This work now? Fail somewhere else, but okay. I'm confused. Field switch type, right? Let's check this. Oh, I need the constructor. Okay, hold on. Does that work? Constructor type of object manager. New type. There we go. Now it's. That's right. I actually don't think I need this for as like a field. I just can store it. There we go. Invalid program. There we go. Kind of gross that it's yelling at me, but here we are. Does this work? Okay. This one works too, right? Okay. Then I know exactly what the issue is. In here. This right here, right? Does it return something? Load this field. Then we load. Wait, I'm confused. What's going on here? Oh, I see. I actually think I need to do it like this. Hold on. So I load the field switch field. And I load the... Yeah, that should, in theory, work. Value cannot be null. Parameter key. That's lame. Does this work? Oh. Um, if string is null or empty, ID. Actually, need this after this. Run. I think it's working fine, actually. I just need to go here. Actually, wait, that worked. Oh, well, I switched it. Whatever. Now what do I want to do? I don't even know. Autosync builder, so I need to create that type switch creator, right? I need object manager. Is that what I need? I thought it was the other way. Oh. Oh, I don't want it in here. I don't really care about this. Need this to be module builder. Then I need type switch creator dot build and then what we can do is return a type, right? Just return the type switch creator. So the type switch creator, we also want the transpiler. Um. How do I even want to integrate this? Do I want to put it in here? So I want the type switcher to go to type switcher. So this builds our type switcher. Well, for fields right now. Patch all. And how does this work? Okay. So basically I need this. Create transpilers. And then I need all this. So we have this. How do I use this? Oh, I see. It creates one transpiler. Private read-only list of method info. How did I do it here? A list, okay. Method info. For each. Then I want to do this unpatch. Patch methods dot here. And this makes it a little bit harder. What I could do this. Because I don't know if they're the same every time. Um, okay, so we have this transpiler now. Now we want to patch all that. Can I do this? Oh, I can. This is great. Great, that's fantastic. Okay. For each method. Want to add method? It's pilot method. I am making automatic stuff. It's very confusing, and even programmers won't be able to describe it. Okay. Just gonna call it build, I guess. Private void on patch all. I think I do want to do this also on patch here.